Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
U District Transport Officer jong ka East Kasa Hills uba Hinge pne kasngi ula plat Paidbah ya kakali bertemai ya kabalai kerteng kum ka Nissan Magnite. Ya kani kakali bertemai la plat Paidbah ha kejingelang kabalalong ha showroom jong ka Orange Nissan kabadon ha Fire Brigade Shillong. Ha kabalay don langru Managing Director jong kani ka company di kali uba Shampang Langdo u General Manager uba Kershan Kongwir mat kuwei kinung sya khot ngobha.
Manufacturing vehicle in our country. That is like Hindustan Motor, Mahindra and Fiat. In the category of passenger vehicle, with the coming up of the different manufacturing companies in the country, the members of the public can now choose and compare different models with advanced technology. Today, the new Nissan Magnite being launched by the Nissan company. The people have one more choice to choose. I wish the model will set the taste and liking of the people and the successful one. With these few words, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Full LED front fascia with LED bi-projector headlamps, sleekest in class and wide throne. LED lightsaber style turn indicators. L-shaped LED DRL, daytime running lamps. LED fog lamps. And also it comes with white split tail lamps which bring a strong road presence. It comes with a ground clearance of 205 millimeter ground clearance, that which is great for Indian roads, especially for Meghalaya and Shillong roads. Also, it comes with best-in-class 5-meter turning radius. It comes with 16-inch diamond-cut alloy, standard 16-inch wheels for all the variants. Skid plates, tough yet elegant. Square wheel arcs, bold SUV stands. Elegant SUV looks, which comes with integrated body side cladding. Chrome belt line and chrome handles, which gives a premium feel. Also for the functional integrated spoiler with LED stop lamp, which gives an elegant SUV looks. Functional roof rails, which can take a load up to 50 kgs. Let us look at the interior design of all Nissan Magnite. Sporty and welcoming seats, firm, best travel, best footwell space. Ergonomically designed instrument panel, which comes with 5 degraders of center screen for cockpit feel, horizontal design execution with sporty AC vents, sports car inspired AC controls, best in class 10-liter glove box with illumination, 1-liter bottle holders on floor console and door trim, thoughtful spaces for mobile phones with wireless charger. Best in class couple distance of 700 millimeter, which is very great personal space for driver and passenger. Best in class rear knee room with 593 millimeter, which brings easy ingress and egress comfortable ride. 60-40 split seats, total flexibility to fit even a bicycle, which comes with 690 liter when seats are folded. 336 liter boot space, which can be expanded to 690 liter with seats folded. High command eye position, best in class, visibility angle 35.4 degrees. Fully integrated steering wheel, cruise control, voice control, audio control, and cluster controls. It also comes with a rear AC vents. Eco scoring and eco coaching. And also it has a best-in-class wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Best-in-class 7-inch TFT cluster. Best-in-class around view monitor with 4 cameras, which we call in general terms as 360-degree cameras. Let us look at the performance of all new Nissan Magnite. It comes with 1.0-liter turbo HRA0 engine, which gives 20 km per liter fuel economy. Uses mirror bore technology from Nissan GTR, among the best power to weight ratio. 1.0-liter B4D engine, which gives 18.75 kmpl fuel economy. Nissan signature Xtronic CVT, around 15 million units sold in 199 countries in the last 10 years. Third gen D-step logic for optimum performance and wider gear ratio. And also Nissan Magnite comes with uncompromised safety, because safety is always our priority. Let's look at under the hood. Uncompromised safety. It comes with EBD, electronic brake force distribution, hill launch assist, dual airbags, VDC, vehicle dynamic control, traction control, strong body structure, ABS, hydraulic brake assist, and anti-roll bar. Let us look at the tech pack. For the tech-savvy customers, these are the tech packs: wireless charger, LED scuff plates, pedal lamp, high-end speakers from JBL, and ambient mode lighting. All new Nissan Magnite also come with Nissan Connect, where you can connect yourself with the car. Nissan Magnite is a partner to you, where you can always find your car from your mobile apps, where you connect with your car, vehicle status, vehicle health status, alerts, smart drive score, service package, roadside assistance.
As gift to our customers in India. It's indeed a big, bold, beautiful car, which really turns our heads if once this car is on the road. The looks, the design, and the technology which puts in this car is indeed marvelous. It is looking good from the front, from the back, from the side, inside out. It's great in everything.